Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that your VIVO TWS 3E keep disconnecting. And firstly I recommend you to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, you can check it at the device list. If you have iOS, you will see a text here. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. And then you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, but also you can try to tap on them if you don't want to reconnect automatically. Next, if the software reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold both of the touch areas on your earbuds until the LED light starts blinking orange. But also I recommended before press and hold on it, close the case and open it, and after that press and hold, because without it sometimes you cannot perform a factory reset. Now, if after 5 seconds this LED light on the front side not blinking white, it means that you doing something wrong. Here we go, we have orange LED light. So now we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone, and to do this open Bluetooth and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on them at the device list. Also, we can reset Bluetooth settings. And firstly I will show you how to do this on your iPhone, and then I will move to Android. So on your iPhone, go to the settings and then to general settings. Now scroll down and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Click at this line, then click reset, and right here we need to select reset network settings, because on Apple devices it located inside the network settings. Because on Android we can reset only Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So reset, then write your password. Now you need to also click at this button, but when you did it, you will remove your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for your iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and we need to also find accessibility, what located at the bottom, at least on my stock Android. No, sorry, we need to go to the system, not accessibility. Yeah. And then we need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have reset options. Tap at this line, and right here I need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And click reset, but once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.